Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make rice and peas burrito. So if that sounds interesting, stick around and see after the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back, as I said before, making some rice and peas burrito. But not just any rice and peas. We're going to make a complete rice and peas Sunday dinner into a burrito. I have some leftovers. Just came from the gym, hungry, and just want a quick bite. I'm like, okay, I'm not going to do any cooking. Just going to warm up some food. But instead of just doing the regular warm up, let me just do it in a burrito style. So, you ready for this? Let's go. I have here some tortilla shells that I usually keep in my freezer whenever time I'm not using them. Reason being, I don't want them to go bad so that I have to throw them away. So keep them in the freezer to stay fresher for longer. Grab a plate, put that on there. I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'm going to be calling this Sunday Monday burrito. You know what I say? You have here your tortilla shell. I took this from the freezer as you saw before. But if you're just going to have it in the fridge, you need to warm this up for about 30 seconds in the microwave or on the stove top just to get it flexible. Because if it's not flexible, it's going to break easily. Right? Whenever time I'm doing meal prep for myself, because I go to the gym, I take the chicken skin off my chicken, right? So here I have some brown stew chicken, gym style, not the authentic Jamaican with the potato and all of that, right? So just brown stew gym style with the legs right there. I have some gungo and rice right there. This is nice and hot. Some salad, lightly dressed with a little bit of mayonnaise, just like a regular Sunday dinner, and not so healthy, but I fry it in olive oil. A little bit of plantain, fried plantain. First and foremost, I'm gonna put the rice on here. You know what I say? Get the rice and peas or the rice and gungo right in the center. I'm gonna shred that chicken. So I'm gonna shred my chicken on here. If I oxtail I have anything I have, just leftovers. So it doesn't have to be a typical boring meal. Not too crazy, but a little bit of sauce. As I said, when I prepare my brown stew for meal prep, I don't put too much emphasis on sauce. Top that off with about 3 plantain across. Proper Sunday dinner settings, you know, Sunday, Monday. 3, you know what, 4 plantain is good. And then that vegetable. So you top off with your coleslaw. Ensure that it's not a runny vegetable. Or if you have raw vegetable you can go in. This vegetable have a few bits of cucumbers in here. So tell the Mexicans, don't come for me. It's just my Jamaican take with my leftovers. So how you wrap this? So you want to bring the sides in first. You bring the sides in, make sure you have enough room around. Bring the sides in like so. And flatten it down a little bit. So you bring the sides in, flatten that down. Then you're going to fold over. Use your fingers, bring this up, fold this over. So that way you start seeing what's happening, right? You bring this over and then you tuck this back. Once you tuck that back, just gonna bring the sides in with the fingers and we're gonna wrap that up nicely. You just roll, tuck and roll, nice and tight, right? Tuck and roll this nice and tight. Tuck and roll. Beautiful, still nice and warm. And there we go. Just gonna give this a quick toast in my pan. So the wrap side down in the pan just to seal it. Burrito on there. Just gonna wrap this up. Wrap it up nicely in some grease paper. Just for effects really, you don't have to do this. And we're just gonna cut that. So one thing you could have had was some hot sauce in there if you wanted to, right? So you ready for this now? Ready? Boom. And there you go. The real Jamaican style leftover burrito, right? Beautiful. And that's a quick way how you can have up your burrito. Your Sunday dinner in a bite. Everything in one go. Bear in mind, the tortilla is extra carbs, right? So it's not a lot of rice. Instead of you taking your fork and digging up everything, and don't beat my bad, I now come try change Jamaican tradition, because I know how we love Jamaican. And anything we see different from Jamaican thing, we beat it bad. But give it a try, especially if it's leftover. We don't want to do this with the Sunday dinner. Because respect have to go out for the Sunday dinner. But you see the Sunday, Monday, the Monday after the Sunday, then you can wrap it up and just make it feel like you're eating something totally different. Trust me, it's a hit. And if you want to sprinkle a little bit of spicy mayo over that, that's your choice. But like this, as I said, it's perfect for me. This helps me to eat it down real quick. And obviously, everything that you see here, I have a video out on. The rice and peas, the stewed chicken, the plantain, the coleslaw or the raw vegetable, you name it, I have it. I'm not going to finish this on camera. I'm going to sit down with a glass of drink or some water and enjoy my rice and peas burrito. So once again, if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If it's something that you tried before, let me know down in the comment section. And see if you love my vibe, hit subscribe. Real quick and easy, simple, but as I said, there's a way how to just change, just trick your mind as if to say you're eating something totally new on a Monday after the Sunday. So once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself. Yeah, man. And you see, if you have the extra brown stew gravy, you want to dip that in, do that as well. You see me?